Arbitrage trading on Binance was literally so hard until I personally discovered this particular method I'm about to show you. And this method makes it looks very easy. So even if you are a total beginner, you should be able to effectively make your first 5% simply by implementing this simple arbitrage trading I'm about to disclose in this video. And I bet majority of you do not even know about this. So stick around, hit the like button, let's get right straight into it. So first thing first, in order to start off, you will need to spot this opportunity, these arbitrage trading opportunities, so as to think of taking an advantage of it. Because matter of fact, without spotting the opportunity, there is no freaking way that the arbitrage trading is probably going to even take place for the profit to be made. So spotting it plays a very significant role. That is the more reason I'm going to be using this application, or rather this website I'm about to show you in a second, to go about spotting this opportunity so as to equally think of taking an advantage of it. So quickly open up MicroAxis on your respective browser. The website name is called MicroAxis. A whole lot of you might have known about this, but this is like an updated version of it. So you might want to stick around so as to know how it is done in respect to the updated version of it, if that makes sense. So after searching up MicroAxis on your respective browser, you will need to click on top crypto exchanges there. It is on the first link. So click on top crypto exchanges there. The moment you click on it, you get to realize that it will bring up a whole lot of crypto exchanges that are popping. So when the interface is open like this, you will need to click on coins. Coins is right there. It was previously on exchanges, so switch it up to coins, and then we will need to click on this drop down arrow. The drop down arrow is right here. Click on that drop down arrow and select Binance. Binance is right here as well. So once you selected Binance, you get to realize that there are a whole lot of things going on here, but we are specifically looking for the arbitrage opportunity. So click on triangles. Triangles is right here. Click on triangles. The moment you've clicked on triangles, boom, you get to see a whole lot of arbitrage trading opportunities. This is what I do pretty much every day to make up to 4 to 5% in a couple of minutes, and I can think of doing it again if I want to. So after clicking on triangles, let us close out all of this art. Then here we go. You get to realize that this is what an arbitrage trading on Binance should looks like. So now your obligation is to click on go on anyone at all. So that's the more reason I'm going to quickly have to look up anyone at all. Simply by clicking on go on anyone, then I will look for them individually to know if the opportunity is there. So after this one might have opened up, you get to realize that it says potential triangular arbitrage between USDC, FDUSD, ERA on Binance Exchange. It has specifically now listed it for you so that you can get to know what to expect. So when you scroll down, you get to realize that the opportunity is not there on this one. If the opportunity is there, I'm going to show you how the opportunity is going to look like. Right now it is all shown XXX, which practically means that the opportunity is not there. So you will need to look up another one. There are hundreds if not thousands of them. So the opportunity is not going to stop anytime soon because of how unlimited it is. So apparently after a whole lot of waiting, I had to really do a very thorough look up on this one. So it comes out that the opportunity is there on this one called BTC, GRT, and USDC. So if you successfully take an advantage of this one, you are going to be resulted in about 0.96% after the end of the whole trade. So the opportunity is there, your obligation is to look for it. Let me refresh this real quick and show you that it is actually very valid, because in most cases these opportunities do not last for a longer time. So the faster you are to take an advantage of it, the better for you. So the opportunity is there about 0.95 now. So let's hop into Binance real quick. So now on Binance, let me quickly show you how to take an advantage of it on Binance. Remember, the currency is called GRT, USDC, and BTC. So this is how we are going to start off with this. You start at the top, in with the bottom. So BTC is the first one there, and the other one is GRT. Then you get over to the last one, which is USDC. So that's how it's going to work. So let me show you how to do that real quick now. So if you want to do this, I would advise you to first of all stimulate it. If you are a newbie, stimulate it with a virtual money. Okay, just put in some random USDT and stimulate it effectively to know if it's going to be in profit or not. But if you're like an advanced trader like me, doing it, right off the back will probably make you to like be fast so that the opportunity will not go away. So now let me quickly do the trade and show you how we can make this profit. So let me sell off some USDT and let me show you how we can do it practically so we can make money together. And if you're interested in getting my mentorship, you don't want to go through the stress of looking for this opportunity yourself. You want someone that will guide you on how to do it from start to finish effectively. If you have any question, I will be there, in any time. Hit the like button and DM me. My WhatsApp number is going to be down in the description below or on my TikTok bio. So now the USDT is now available. Let us start off with this real quick and do well to watch all the way through so that you not get to miss out on all of this. So let me quickly buy it real quick using market order. I'm going to first of all buy BTC because that's how it works, and then I will use that BTC to buy what? GRT. So I'm going to search for GRT BTC. GRT BTC is going to be the second currency. Like I've told you, if you are still a newbie, stimulate it first. Do not buy it instantly. Just stimulate it with your imaginated capital so that you can get to know if it will work or not at the end of the day. Okay, so now GRT BTC, we should be able to now place in a limit order on this one. We are buying alongside with the buyers. When you are buying on currency like this that is not moving rapidly, always pay attention to the buying side. Or you equally want to sell it, you pay attention to the selling side as well. So that should be very clear there. So now we are paying attention to the buying side, which is going to be 0.00, about 6042. So I'm going to put in that price there, and then I'll put in my buy limit. It should be closer to that current price. So in no time this should be executed, and once it has been executed, guess what? We are going to sell it at a much higher price on that last currency. This will now result the profit apparently. So stick around to find out how this is going to work, and I'll catch you all later. So apparently after a couple of minutes, the buy limit order refuses to get triggered, which took almost like an hour plus. So in that case I had to cancel it off. Let me quickly make a quick convert This is an alternative way to do it. If your buy limit order do not get triggered quickly and you don't have the patience to wait, you can equally still use the convert button to convert your initial BTC to the currency. As simple as that, instead of waiting on the queue. So I had to do that. I had to go through that route to convert it quickly, and it was successfully converted. So the last stage now is going to be GRT USDC. That should be pretty very straightforward. So now all I did was that I went on a sell, and I'm going to be selling it for the current value under the seller section, which was about 0.04131, and within the twinkle of an eye the trade was successfully triggered. So I'm going to now convert that initial USDC back to either USDT or BTC. If I want to do it again, I will convert it to BTC. If I don't want to do it again, I will change it to USDT so I can, stay stable. So now it was successfully converted to USDT as usual, and we resulted in some profit. If you should look closely, that was some big gains there, very closer to about 2% or thereabout. This is pretty little because the capital used here is still small. So if you are using like a bigger capital, you would have stand a chance to like make way more. But it's always best to try out with small money before thinking of doubling up if you want to. And keep in mind, my mentorship is still ongoing. If you want to get access to it, send a DM, and all of that is going to be shared to you. The mentorship only costs 30 USDT.